In this video, we are going to be unboxing the MacBook Pro with the M3 Pro chip. So if you see this box right here, we have the device in there, and this is actually a very cool bad boy. So this device has a 512 memory and also with an 18 gigs of RAM. So when you open the box, this is how you're going to see the device. But I'm just gonna take this off. But before I do that, I'm actually going to remove this bad boy and put it here, and then we see what we have inside of this box before we come to this bad boy. So let's check out right here. So we have this box right here, which is actually the manual, and then also we have the charging brick with a 70-watt charger, and then also with the cord right here, which is very cool. This is actually one of the sleekest cords I've ever seen. Actually looks like the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max's cord. And then afterwards we just come to this bad boy, and this is how it looks like. So when you get this device out of the box, this is how everything is going to look like, and it's very cool. You touch it and then you're going to see that you are really holding a very great device. So I'm actually going to do a follow-up video of how the device looks like, and then how the battery life is after I actually unboxed it and then use it for a while. So when you turn the device like this, you're going to see a MacBook Pro written beneath it, and that is basically very cool. That what I don't really like is when you touch the device, you can see your fingerprints on the device, but I mean, you can just clean it. So when you open it, this is what you see. You can see the keyboard cover. That's what I removed, but my battery was low, so I had to just charge it a bit for me to be able to set this device up. So I'm going to plug in my charger, which gives me the screen, and then it's going to allow me to choose the language. So when you choose the language, you hit the next, and then it's going to allow you to choose your region. So if you are actually unboxing this and it's your first time of using a MacBook, you need to follow these steps right here. So you choose the region, that means the country you reside, so that you'll be able to get everything. Like let's say when you go to the App Store, you get apps that are supported in your location or your region. You're just gonna do this right away. So you tap on next to go to the next step, and then you are going to connect with your Wi-Fi. So in case you have a Wi-Fi in your area or in your house, you can just connect it. If you don't have, you can just skip it and then maybe set up with a Wi-Fi later. So with this, if you have an Apple ID too, you are just going to put in your Apple ID and then you set up everything direct. But if you don't have an Apple ID, I'll urge you to create a new Apple ID, which you're going to tap below right here. Don't have an Apple ID, and you're going to just enter your Apple ID. But if you have it, it's actually going to give you an option to just get a PIN code that is going to be sent to your other device, maybe an old MacBook, an iPad, or an iPhone you have, and then you just input the code right here, and then you're going to set up your device. So afterwards, you are going to set an account. When you are to log into your MacBook, the account you are going to use to log in, this is how it's going to look like. So you set it up, and then you are going to be able to enter this anytime you turn off your device, and then you turn it on. This password is actually going to be the one you will need, and then you give a hint, which is going to make you restore your password in case you forget. So that is one thing you guys need to know. So afterwards, you just use your hand to touch the touchpad right here in order to get your fingerprint attached to this device. Anytime you put your hand there, it's going to unlock it directly for you. You can choose to use both fingers, or if you want to use a single finger, it is acceptable. Any finger of yours you feel you are okay with, you can use it in unlocking your device. So that's what you need to do, and afterwards you click on next for it to just save your fingerprint on the device, and then it's going to take you to the next stage. So once everything is done, this is the interface you are going to get. I'm actually getting this interface because it was the same wallpaper I was using on my previous Mac. So this is how my MacBook look like. So it's the M3 chip with an 18 gigs of RAM, and this is actually going to run very smoothly. So I'm going to do a follow-up video to show you guys how the battery life is, and then how smooth and how cool this device is. And if you know this is your first time, don't forget to subscribe and also share with your friends, and I'm going to catch you in the next one. Peace.